Hello everyone, we are at the North American Film Association. Beautiful NAFA festival is going on thanks to Abhijit Gholab, who is himself a national awardee. He got the gold medal award for Deol the Temple, a wonderful Marathi film, and since 2012 the journey is on and on with lots of successes and a little bit of hurdles as well that we are going to talk about just right now. Welcome to Yo India TV, and I'm so excited to see the crowd excited with all the short films and the wonderful stars that you have made to fly all the way from India. First of all, tell me, how is your feel?
So pretty exciting, because I think this is the vision that we saw around 10 months back. We wanted to establish an opportunity for all the Marathi filmmakers in America so that we can produce our own films in this land, and we can also distribute our own films. And when you produce and distribute, then it's a time for them to also celebrate. And this film festival is all about this celebration.
Hi everyone, we have Sachin and Supriya right here with us at California Theatres for NAFA Film Festival. How's your experience?
My experience is just begun. So up till now it is very good, and we are very happy to be a part of NAFA's first Marathi Film Festival.
Yes, and up till now we were only communicating through the emails and through the messages, but now I can see it actually all happening. It's a great, very well organized festival. All the volunteers, I must say, big shout out to the volunteers, because they are the backbones of any such festival, and I'm sure if this is the beginning, then how will it go? It will only be amazing.
लिरिक्स वाले अन इथेच इथी एका वर चढ एका कलंडर सारेच होते इथले पण इथे कितीही पिकले तरीही अजून नव्हते विकले.
We have filmmaker Jabbar Patel right here with us at NAFA Film Festival. It's a great occasion. You know, everyone is so excited. How's your feel in the Bay Area?
Good, because we are having Pune International Film Festival and we're collaborating with NAFA. And this will be a wonderful exchange, academic exchange, because cinema is growing, so also the Marathi cinema. Most of the Marathi cinema are now in many world festivals is moving. They're winning awards. So it's a kind of a recognition by the Americans. And there are so many Maharashtrians here. And I think it's a wonderful, rich culture of cinema we have. And the pioneer of cinema in India, Dasya Phalke, is a Maharashtrian. So it's a wonderful idea to have in the file.
This occasion is very exceptional. That's what I feel. National American Film Association. So I'm eager to watch the films made by these people. Of course, the classics also will be shown, but these people have created some films. So I'll be very happy to see them.
So tell us a little more about your debut production, Deol, that got you the national award.
So I was approached by a very nice story, and as you know, Marathi cinema has always been known for its sensible contents. So when the story was approached to me, this was all about commercialization of the faith and what happens to a soul who is a real devotee, but then he gets pulled into lots of marketing and the branding gimmicks of Devasthan or pilgrimage centers. So this was a satirical take on that story, and in a country like India, if you are trying to make something on this topic, it's always an issue of a sensitivity, and then it's also an issue of a lot of political scenarios around it. So we were conscious and cautious when we were trying to produce this film, but I decided to make it because I wanted to make the films which are not only for the benefit of making good money, but also creating good contents and sensible contents. So I made this film, and this film not only became the biggest box office grosser, but fortunately we won 3 national awards. One of that was given to the best film as a debut producer for me. Another one that was given to best actor, and then the third one was for best script. So we kind of completely swiped all our awards in favor of Marathi cinema, which got selected across all the languages, winning the Gold Lotus Award after a span of 40 years back to state of Maharashtra.
ज्यांना देव हवा आहे त्याने तो आपापला शोधावा.
समजावा लोकांना, म्हणो काय अडाणी बना काय करायचं.
देव मला म्हणते देऊ नकोय.
जागृत ठाणे जागृत.
जोड्यानं सडकीने एकेकाला सांगून ठेवतो, कोणाला सोडणार नाही.
तुम्ही काय ड्रायव्हर आहे का?
So we have our famous Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Subodh Bhave, right here with us at the NAFA Film Festival. It's a beautiful occasion, and everyone is your fan, and see, people are so excited that you are here. How's your experience?
It's fantastic because this is the first time ever Marathi Film Festival is happening outside of Maharashtra, outside of India, and particularly in America, because there are a large number of Maharashtrian people lives in America, and every alternate year the BMM convention happened, and thousands of people come across from Canada, Europe, and US. They came together, celebrated their Marathihood, and this is the first time ever Marathi film is happening outside India. It's like a festival. Like they are producing some short films, some films premiere are happening here. Some forthcoming films teaser and trailer, so people can watch it here only, and some classics and some legendary films in Marathi. They also here, some legend actors, they are here talking about their films, their experience in film industry. So yes, this is like a festive, like Diwali season for us.
You have been a venture capitalist, well, I should say a very successful venture capitalist, because many people try their hands on entrepreneurship and they take that risk and it doesn't work. But he is one of those successful entrepreneurs who we should learn from, take inspiration, and also see like how to reap money.
Well, it's all depends on if you can find a good concept, and if you can find people who are better than you. Because entrepreneurship is all about passion. Entrepreneurship is all about, chasing your dreams. But then you can't chase your dream alone. You need people who can also be a part of that journey. And most importantly, they have to be better than you so that you can excel. So I think this is the same formula, whether it's a software industry, whether it's a healthcare industry, whether it's a media industry. I think that works. And that's what I was trying to prove across the industry as an entrepreneur.
Namaskar, we have the famous Nivedita Saraf all the way from Mumbai, right here in San Jose. So I know it's a very exciting journey because first time we are having NAFA Film Festival.
Yeah.
How's your experience so far?
Very amazing. First of all, the thought behind it, I really want to applaud and congratulate Mr. Abhi Golab, because everybody thinks about it. You have to do this way, you have to do that way, we want to do something like this. But he has gone ahead and taken steps of doing it. and they want to make films here which would be very relevant to the Maharashtrian community living abroad, you know, even they have their stories to tell. That would be very interesting, and he has opened up a platform for Marathi films which are being shot in Maharashtra and made in India, and they have given them a platform to be showcased here for the Maharashtrian audience in this end of America, we can say, North America, we can say. So I feel that's a very amazing thing, and it's a very good step that he has taken.
आई आहे ना, आई बघेल क्षमाकडे. इन्व्हेस्टमेंटची किती चांगली गट्टी आहे.
मला काय वाटतं आम्ही आपण सर्जरी नको करूया.
व्हॉट? असं कसं विचार करू शकतेस तू माधवी? आई आहेस ना तू त्याची?
आई आहे म्हणूनच म्हणतेय मी, माझ्यासाठी नाही म्हणत. नीरचाच विचार करते फक्त.
नीरचाच विचार करत असतीस ना तर असं बोलू शकली नसतीस. आर यू सिरियस?
हे बघ, आता एक सर्जरी, मग 6 महिने नीट काळजी घ्यायची, त्याच्यानंतर अजून एक सर्जरी, 3-4 वर्षी पुन्हा एक. सगळं सुरळीत पार पडलं तरी 25व्या वर्षी वाटराच कट लागू शकतं नाही. कशाला इतकं त्रास द्यायचा त्या कोवळ्या जीवाला?
You are working as a lead hero in the movie with your real life wife as well. I know it's a great experience. It's a very different experience being on the camera. What's your name? Tell us a little more about yourself and the couple as a whole.
Yes, I'm Saurabh Jatzak, and it was kind of comfortable because we are working together, and being parents, we kind of know how you feel about, you know, taking decisions about your child and how guilty it makes you feel when something was wrong. So it was really the story was really touching, and again, like as she said, Aniket made us really comfortable, and the whole team of Nirmalya. So it was a really great experience, and I want to thank NAFA, Mr. Abhi Golab, for giving us this opportunity. It was great, yeah.
And in real life, you have kids?
Yes, we do. We have a 4-year-old daughter.
And do you relate any of the scenes of the movie with your real life?
Yes, we do. I mean, when she was born, it was an emotional time for us. So
we acted in the movie, we still had tears in our eyes when we were watching the movie. So it was really
being
great.
a parent, we can feel that, you know, how every parent feels when it comes to your own kid. So
हो, बघता 5 वर्ष झाली बघ.
जेवली नाहीस मग करतेस काय?
फोटो बघून आठवणी तरंगतीये आणि नाही म्हणलं तरी यांना मरण सोन्यासारखं मिळालं बघ. मला प्रश्न पडतो, मला तो शेवटचा खेळ खेळता येईल?
कसला खेळ? आज हे काय आता नवीन? तू आज संध्याकाळी घरी ये, मी येतो न्यायला, जरा बदल बरा वाटेल तुला.
नाही, मी काय म्हणते, शेवट आधी कळू शकेल?
आई, चल आता तू घाई विचार करू नकोस बघा. चल थोडा वेळ.
पायरव नाम की शॉर्ट फिल्म आज फीचर की गई यहाँ नफा फिल्म फेस्टिवल में. हमारे साथ आज जुड़ी हुई हैं रोहिणी अभ्यंकर जी, जो कि इस फिल्म की राइटर हैं. तो आई नो राइटिंग अ फिल्म इज़ नॉट ईजी, स्पेशली अ शॉर्ट फिल्म, यू नो, एंड इट्स वेरी चैलेंजिंग, क्योंकि एक नॉवल लिखना वर्सेस एक यू नो शॉर्ट स्क्रिप्ट लिखना, और मुझे लगता है कि जो मूवी होती है शॉर्ट फिल्म, वो काइंड ऑफ इन दोनों के बीच की एक मीडियम चीज़ होती है. तो क्या क्या चैलेंजेस रहे, क्या क्या यू नो गुड मोमेंट्स थे, मज़ेदार मोमेंट्स दर्शकों के साथ थोड़ा शेयर करें.
ज़रूर. मेरा नाम रोहिणी अभ्यंकर है. मेरी शॉर्ट फिल्म, मेरी कहानी पर आधारित एक शॉर्ट फिल्म है पायरो, जिसका आज यहाँ प्रीमियर हुआ है। और ये जब मैंने ये कथा लिखी थी, एक कथा स्पर्धा के लिए कहानी का कंपटीशन था, और उसमें कथा लिखी थी करीब 8-10 साल पहले। और उसकी जो मेन कैरेक्टर है वो तकरीबन 80 साल की एक ओल्ड लेडी हैं, और उनके ऊपर आधारित ये कहानी है। कहानी का मकसद ये है कि जो लोग शी इज़ वेरी प्लेफुल बाय नेचर, बचपन से ही, और उनकी यादें हैं अपने पिता के साथ। वो पायरव का मतलब होता है, पाय मतलब पैर और रव मतलब आवाज़। वो पैरों की आहट सुन के बहुत कुछ जान जाती थी बचपन से, और जो भी कोई आ रहा है उसके आगे 2 कदम चल के खड़ी हो जाती थी। और यहाँ पे अब यूएस में आ गई हैं, बच्चों के पास में करीब रहती हैं पर इंडिपेंडेंट रहती हैं। और अब उनका चैलेंज उन्होंने खुद को जो दिया है कि क्या वो मृत्यु का पायरव सुन पाएंगी, कि जो आने वाला मौत आने वाली है, पर ऐसी चीज़ की आवाज़ कैसे पहचाने जिसकी आवाज़ होती नहीं है। तो उस पर आधारित ये हमारी फिल्म है।
वी हैव टू फाइट। आपला पिक्चर ग्रँड का नाही, म्हणजे मला असं वाटतं की 10 लोक 3.5 कोटी रुपये टाकून जर का पिक्चर, लेट मी बी व्हेरी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू, साधारण 100 सिनेमे वर्षाला येतात मराठी, त्यातले 96% फ्लॉप होतात. बरं, फ्लॉप होतात म्हणजे कसे, जे 3.5 कोटी टाकलेले असतात आणि मग तो चक्रव्यूहात शिरलेला असतो, त्याच्यानंतर पीएनए असतो, पब्लिसिटी, त्याचे खर्च साधारण मग ते 5 कोटी जातात. त्यातले किती रिकवर होतात? एकही नाही. त्याच्यात अजून टाकायला लागतात की थिएटरचं भाडं, जाहिरातीचं बिल. म्हणजे तुमचे जर का 90% फिल्म 5च्या 5 कोटी रुपये जात असतील तर वाय आर यू मेकिंग इट? त्याचं एक सिंपल सोल्युशन, वाय डोंट 10 पीपल कम टुगेदर अँड डू अ 50 crore फिल्म? ते निदान 50% मिळतील, 25 कोटी मिळतील, पण तुम्ही 5 टाकलेले 2.5 तरी परत येतील ना. हे कोणी बेसिकली लॉजिक इथे करत नाही. वी हॅव टू कॉम्पीट विथ, म्हणजे आज कन्नडा सिनेमा म्हणतो कंटाळा येणारा पिक्चर आहे म्हणतो चालतो. KGF हा, इट वॉज द मोस्ट इडियोटिक फिल्म आय एव्हर सीन इन माय लाईफ. इट हॅज डन बिझनेस ऑफ 1000 crore. आपले सिनेमे कंटेंटनी चांगले असतात पण तेवढेच ना, ते 2 आणि 2.5 कोटीचे ना. कधी आपण आपले वर्षात 10 पिक्चर तरी किमान 60 कोटी आले पाहिजे, कलेक्शन झालं पाहिजे ना. बरं, महाराष्ट्र हा सगळ्यात मोठी टेरिटरी आहे. म्हणजे हिंदी सिनेमावाले पण महाराष्ट्रात पिक्चर चालत खुश असतात, बाकी कुठेही नाही चालत तरी हरकत नाही. एवढी मोठी टेरिटरी असून मराठी सिनेमा का मागे? आपण उगाच लोकांना दोष देतो, ऑडियन्स येत नाही. काय यावं ते? वाय? म्हणजे त्याच खर्चात जर का ते बाहुबली बघतायत, ते कुठला तो आपला ॲनिमल बघतायत, ते व्हॉट एव्हर, ते येत नाही. RRR. पण सो वी नीड टू अप द स्किल.
So tell us a little more about your creative ventures and your journey.
So I think, when I became a producer, I think there was always a creative angle to me, which actually probably got amplified through this opportunity. So my whole idea here is that find a topic which is important from the social cause perspective, but don't present it as a preachy topic or the preachy way of presenting it, but rather present it in a satirical way where people can get glued to it, and also make it a proper marketing and branding positioning so that it reaches to many people. So you can always create a good content and put it on YouTube and forget it, or you can put a good content and then actually take it to the places and people will love it. So that's what is the whole idea here, is that NAFA is all about a platform to the same talent that is already there in America, to the same contents which are already getting produced, but we would like to make these contents reach to as many people as possible, not within America alone, but also breaking the boundaries and going global.
जन्मतारीख काय आहे?
12 ऑक्टोबर 2000.
तुझी उंची?
5 फूट 2 नाही 5 फूट 1 इंच.
5 फूट 1 इंच मोजली होती का?
हो.
शिक्षण किती झालंय?
BA फायनल इयरला.
विषय कोणता?
समाजशास्त्र.
तुझ्या आवडी काय आहे?
विणकाम, स्वयंपाक बनवते आणि वाचायला आवडते.
काय विचार नाही तुला रे प्रभा शेतीचं काम जमून तुला ठीक आहे काम ते बोल आहे ठीक आहे मला पण थोडी कासर वाटली सावळी तर नाही म्हणजे बोरीच तर वाटतं मेकअप केला होता धोपत पाहिलं का तिचं कसं काच प्रभाकरच्या मनानं आहेत जमली आहे बोरीची पण पाच एक सांगत होता खोट पाच असेल जास्तीत जास्त.
उमेश कुलकर्णी जी यहाँ पधारे हुए हैं नाफा फिल्म फेस्टिवल में. अहोभाग्य हमारे जो दर्शन हुए आपके और आपका एक्सपीरियंस जो यहाँ है. यू नो एवरीबॉडी इज सो एक्साइटेड टू सी यू.
मुझे शॉर्ट फिल्म्स बहुत अच्छी लगती है. तो जैसे मैं फीचर फिल्म्स बनाता हूँ तो वैसे शॉर्ट फिल्म्स भी बनाता हूँ. तो मैं बहुत enthusiastically I'm waiting to meet all the young people who want to make short films and I would like to interact with them और उनसे बात करके उनको जो कहना है वो शॉर्ट फिल्म के जरिए वो कैसे कह सकते हैं, इस तरीके की एक बातचीत उनसे करने के लिए मैं उसका इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ.
We have the awesome music composer and singer Salil Kulkarni ji right here at NAFA Film Festival. It's a great experience for everyone to see you here. How is your experience?
It's always good to meet sensitive people with good emotional quotient, and I have been coming here to perform so many times, but this time this visit is very special because recently, like this year, I got a national award as a filmmaker, not in music but as a film director, and two of my producers are from US, Arundhati Date and Anup Nimkar. So it's really a pleasure to come here after the national award. And today I could see that so many people are interested in filmmaking, making new music, narrating new stories. So it's great to connect with your music, with your stories, and I'm looking forward to collaborate with some filmmakers here.
एकदा काय झालं, एक छोटं बाळ होतं.
चिंतन, कुठल्या गोष्टी आवडतात तुला?
बाबा जो सांगतो त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आवडतात.
थँक्यू. 2 वर्षांपूर्वी एक वेगळ्या पद्धतीची शाळा मी सुरू केली. आपल्या नंदनवनमध्ये आमचा असा प्रामाणिक प्रयत्न असतो की मुलांना आनंदात शिकता यावं.
बाबा त्याचे आई बाबा त्याला खायला नाही देत.
यांना ना मिळत नाही बाळा, त्यांना जे हवं असतं. रामचा रोल करायला डोळ्यात भूक दिसणं फार आवश्यक आहे.
लाडू
तुमच्या बाळाला ऍक्टिंग जमत नाही. तुम्ही मला कधी भूकच लागू दिली नाही.
श्याम आणि राम, राम आणि श्याम. लहानपणी आपण त्याला विचारायचो, मोठेपणी कोण होणार आहेस तू? तर कसं म्हणायचं, मी गोष्टी सांगणारा माणूस होणार आहे.
कुठे किरण कुठे?
मावशी हा ना आता गोष्टीतल्या माणसासारखा वागायला लागलाय. मला असं वाटतं हे गोष्टी वगैरे सांगणे ना हे ना ठीकच आहे.
आपण गोष्टी म्हणून वाचतो, तो त्या गोष्टीतून आयुष्य बघायला शिकला.
चिंतनला काय व्हायचंय मोठेपणी?
मी ना सेम बाबा होणार आहे. आता बाबा नाटक लिहितो आणि मी नाटकात काम करतो. मी मोठा झालो की मी लिहिणार आणि बाबा नाटकात काम करणार.
Definitely you are spreading the Marathi culture, Marathi cinema, and you know the glory of our history as well, you know, presenting some of the great characters through the short films and more, and bringing those artists who have been associated not just with the cinema but back in time with the theatre as well, because Marathi Natak is also something that has been very, very popular. So when it comes to art and cinema and the culture as a whole, how do you see all of these intertwined?
So I would say that, you know, there are artists, it's just a way of presenting the contents, right? Because if you can create a good theatre show, then you require the whole of the team to travel to different places. But now with the digital contents, like film contents, you can reach to the masses very easily. So you have a streaming media, you have got platforms like, you know, Netflix and Amazons of the world, where you can put the contents and you can reach the audiences. So my interest would be to actually use such digital medium to reach to the contents, reach to the audiences as quick as possible, so that they will also enjoy what you are creating. And more they enjoy, more there's a pull, and that's where I would say that, you know, more sensible contents will keep on happening that all of us can enjoy in our free time.
बरं, तुझं MPSCचं प्रिपरेशन कसं चाललं?
चालेल.
काही मदत लागली सांग मला.
हो सर.
बरं, एक्झाम कधी मग?
पुढच्या महिन्यात 18 तारखेला.
अरे, एक्झाम तर जवळच आली मग.
Arundhati Datye from NAFA Film Festival is thoroughly enjoying each and every moment here, you know. Beautiful films, beautiful audience, and on top of that, wonderful stars and celebrities. Congratulations for bringing NAFA to the Bay Area. How's your feel?
I'm super excited, as you can see from my face, and we are so happy. And as we had mentioned in our opening ceremony speeches, that the team has been working for so long, like almost 6 months, to put this show together. And this is the first time actually where this Marathi Film Festival is happening in America. So we are super excited. We feel super lucky that there were so many esteemed celebrities from India actually flew to attend this and then share their experiences with our audience through masterclass, panel discussions. So, and in addition to that, obviously, as the agenda shows, we were able to show the short films produced by our own NAFA production. So, yeah, super excited.
We have the Filmfare Award winner from the Marathi cinema, Prasad Prabhakar Ogji, right here with us at NAFA Film Festival. And he has also won a National Film Award. So many credits to your name and so many achievements. So first of all, big congratulations for all the achievements. And how's the feel here in Bay Area?
It's lovely. I'm been waiting for this moment since long. I mean, Abhijit is planning for this venture since last 10 months, as per my knowledge. And now it's happening. It's like a dream come true for the NAFA. And we really enjoying every moment. The opening ceremony was fantastic. After that, I had a meet and greet session with my fans. That was also superb. People are very enthusiastic, very energetic and very positive. So it really feels very nice, very lovely.
Yeah, and I can see your connections, even those who could not make it, like Nana Patekar, you know, I would say Padma Shri Nana Patekar, who you have worked with in your very first film as well. And, you know, the mama of the Bollywood and in fact of the Marathi cinema, Ashok Saraf and Mrs. Saraf, who were about to come, have also sent their best wishes and messages, and you're having a great interaction time with all the artists. So tell us a little more about the artists who are here and how is it going with them?
Yeah, certainly. So we have invited 17 artists, and all these are those Marathi artists who are known to be the face of Marathi cinema. So you name it, and we have Sachin Pilgaonkar, Supriya Pilgaonkar. We have Ashok Saraf, Nivedita Saraf. So Ashok Saraf ji couldn't come because of the health issues, but Mrs. Nivedita Saraf, she's here. We have Mahesh Manjrekar, Medha Manjrekar. We have Nana Patekar. We have Dilip Prabhavalkar. We have Dr. Jabbar Patel, who has been making movies for the last 60 years successfully, and he's also the chairman of Pune International Film Festival, which is the only official film festival of Maharashtra state. So from that perspective, I think we have that big names associated with us. But at the same point of time, the younger artists like Subodh Bhave, we have Prasad Oak, we have Munal Kulkarni. So we actually went across the various levels and the various age groups of the Marathi industry, so that they represent here this first happening of Marathi Film Festival in North America in that big grand way.
Good afternoon. I just introduced in the United States Congress 2 very important bills addressing the mental health epidemic in our country. Lack of adequate mental health services and the stigma and shame associated with such illness has caused millions of people suffer in silence. I know one such person very well, Shyam Tanadar, my first wife.
It was a good depiction of his life, and it was a tragic story as well, but you guys played it well, and I know you've been the director. So anything you want to share about the movie?
No, I just wanted to share that first of all, we are all grateful and thankful for this platform that NAFA has created, so we could give opportunities to local talent, and Sri Thanedar for keeping a faith in us to make this film. So it has been an honor to work with everybody.
Yeah, the same year. I mean, I think both NAFA gave us a platform. Shri being the first Marathi congressman, I think it was went well together. That the first Marathi Film Festival here and a movie about the life of the first Marathi congressman. So, and then I think so the finances and the platform came together. The rest, it was up to us now to bring it to the screen. That's what we did.
Yeah, and these people from Washington DC and Houston are very, very creative, and this is the young man who played the young character of Thanedar. So how is your experience?
This was a great opportunity. Like Nitin and Makarand said, NAFA definitely gave us the platform where we got this opportunity, and I think more important than that, I feel like it was a very honorable situation for me to play Shri Sir's role, because he has gone through a lot, and people see what he has achieved, but there is other side to Shri Sir which has not reached so much of awareness, right? What he went through.
I have a very small question about the blend of creativity and healthcare. Two very unrelated things, but when technology, healthcare, and media production and the film production, everything comes into one Abhi Golab, then just share with the viewers like how you make it possible, because you have to focus on the work-life balance as well.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And again, this is the question that some of the people are also asking, but I also ask this question to myself. But I would say the answer is simple. The answer is that I'm an entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, I look for opportunities, and if there is an opportunity, I try to see if that opportunity has potential, and if there is a potential, then I pursue that. So I think I give a chance to also my destiny to present me some opportunities, and whatever they present, I start pursuing it to the fullest extent.
Wonderful, and we look forward to enjoying this film festival. So keep watching Yo India TV and keep following Abhi Golab. He's one of those successful entrepreneurs whose trailblazing path will always keep inspiring you. So Abhi, what's your final word to all the viewers of Yo India TV?
I would say that, watch out for the contents. The contents are coming. We are the one who is going to produce it. And you will be enjoying those contents which are made in America by the Indo-American people who are in this country for last several decades. So keep tuning yourself to that. And thank you so much, Yo India TV, for having us here.
Thank you so much. All the very best. Mrs. Ashwini Kapale has traveled all the way from Indiana to this beautiful, beautiful film festival. North American Film Association, this is a beautiful Marathi festival happening for the very first time.
Yeah.
And since you've already won a pageant and you're looking forward to more, how is your experience?
So experience has been very, very great. I have been doing a lot of volunteering as well, meeting a lot of celebrities, as you know, and definitely this can expand my boundaries as well.
We have a super lineup of all the artists coming from India as well as local artists that are promoted in the NAFA. So the local movies and what we would like to see, like if you know the cricket, Indian cricket is also coming to US and US is forming a team. So in the same way, what I would like to see is Hollywood here and Bollywood, Hollywood, Marathi movies made in US. That will be a phenomenal success.
The venue is nice, everything is organized so well, and it's so nice to connect with the Marathi film fraternity and being close to the culture. It's very, very nice.
आणि पुण्यामधनं इतकी लोक आलेली आहेत आणि इतके सेलिब्रिटीज आलेत आणि सगळे इथे एका मंचावर आहेत, याचा अतिशय आनंद होतो. आणि अभि घोलपची ही जी विजन आहे त्याचं ॲक्च्युअल इकडे ती खरी होणं याबद्दल फारच मस्त वाटतंय.
The festival is amazing, awesome, really good, very well organized, and everybody has taken a lot of efforts in this festival, and we have seen few movies so far. They are great movies.
So to all the viewers who are watching you, who are getting inspired and who want to get some tips and tricks from you, what's your message?
I think, as I said in the Q&A session after the screening, I think दिल से बनाओ, जो भी बनाओ दिल से बनाओ, दिमाग मत लगाओ, सोचो मत, दिल से बनाओ. और अगर आप इस फील्ड में आना चाहते हो तो आपके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा पेशेंस होना चाहिए. बहुत टाइम लगता है और पैशन तो होना चाहिए, हार्ड वर्क तो करना चाहिए, लेकिन पेशेंस की बहुत ज़रूरत है. इसलिए बहुत सारी घटनाएं होगी, बहुत सारा आपको ये मिलेगा, क्या बोलते हैं, आपको कभी, बट आप निराश मत होइए, लगे रहिए. Watch us on Yo India TV.